Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and this is the first time of seeing me, hello, welcome. But if you are a subscriber already, hi, thank you for coming back and it's good to have you here again. In today's video, we are going to be letting go of this my natural hair. I'm going to be doing the big shop. Let's get started. My hair has been shedding really badly, and the truth is, the excessive shedding took a toll on my hair. It became unhealthy, weightless, fine, and uneven. I was, my hair was growing very well, but my hair overall health is unhealthy, and whenever it grows out from my scalp, it's always breaking because it's very weak, it's fine, it's uneven, and it was very light. You can literally see through my hair. And the truth is, my overall health was suffering. As someone who knows a lot about hair health, I know my hair was unhealthy. Even though my friends were like, Sandy, this hair is good though. It's okay. So I told them, no, my hair is unhealthy. Because these are what I'll be fixing. These are the challenges I'll be fixing. My hair is very light compared to before. It used to be very thick. I have to snap pictures to compare and let them know the difference between this damaged hair and a healthy hair. It's beautiful. When you color your hair, it's very beautiful. But the disadvantage is that it will thin out your hair. It will make your hair to be prone to breakage, and it will make your hair to be very light. It will be like weightless. When the hair is weightless, it will always be breaking. If you have watched this video to this extent and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up for engagement here on YouTube and leave a comment down below if you have any comments, questions or suggestions. And also share this video to whom you feel needs it. So on this fateful day, I just get rest and went to a salon. When I got there, I wrote on my phone, my hair is damaged. Help me trim off the damaged part and leave the undergrowth because it's already 6 months since I last dyed my hair black. So you know, when it's 6 months, there's already undergrowth coming out. So he said, okay, no problem. That was what you saw at the beginning of the video. He was trying to spray water on the hair to demarcate from the damaged part and the undergrowth. So he started trimming the hair. After everything, the thing was not equal. I told him it wasn't equal. He tried working on it. It was just as if the thing was not working. So I told him no problem. So in this place, he has finished barbing the hair. So if you can see very well, the hair is not equal. Look at it. I left. I went home. When I got home, I decided to shaping out my hair. So from shaping it out, I said, let me just remove everything and start all over again so that I will know when there is problem. I will know there is problem. I won't be thinking maybe because of the old hair I left on the hair. That's why the hair is breaking. So I just decided to remove everything. How I wish I knew I would be barbing it like this. I wouldn't have even go to the salon. I would have just do it on my own. And the money I paid the man, I would have paid the man the money. Now, I will be starting my hair journey with this Bantu knot hairstyle, popularly known as akara hairstyle or groundnut hairstyle in Nigeria that I will be doing for now to enable my hair grow out. So I will take you people along, and every recipe I will be doing, from the hair tea to the hair oil to the hair pomade to the hair butter, I will always be sharing everything with you all. So guys, join me as I start afresh a healthy hair growth journey. Having said that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If so, let me know in the comment section below. I love you all and stay blessed.